In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a table from Confluence. If you're looking to easily duplicate tables to share or reorganize your data, you're in the right place. Let's jump in and get started. To begin, we'll need to open up your preferred web browser. Whether you use Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or another option entirely, make sure you're comfortable navigating it, as we'll be working through a few web-based steps. Once your browser is ready, head on over to your search engine. Google is a popular choice for many, and type in Confluence. This platform, Confluence, is your go-to tool for collaborating on documents and tasks within teams, which is why knowing how to manipulate tables here is so handy. In the search results, look for the link to the official Confluence website and click on it. If you don't have an account yet, no worries. You can sign up for free. But if you're already a member, simply log in with your existing credentials. This will bring you to the Confluence dashboard, where you can access your various spaces and projects. Next, you need to open the specific Confluence space that contains the table you wish to copy. Spaces in Confluence are like project workspaces, where all the relevant data and documents are hosted. Once you've navigated to the correct space within your browser, scroll through the page to locate the table you want to duplicate. Now, focus your attention on the table. You should click anywhere within it. This doesn't have to be an exact science. Just make sure your cursor rests inside the table's boundaries. As soon as your click is registered, you should see a toolbar appear below the table. This toolbar is a nifty feature that provides different options for managing your table content. Look closely at this toolbar and find the Copy icon. It's depicted as two overlapping pages. Clicking on this icon is our key step here, as it will copy the entire table, allowing you to paste it elsewhere. After clicking the Copy icon, you've placed the table on your clipboard, ready for the next move. Now, navigate to the location where you wish to paste your newly copied table. This could be another page within the same space, a different space altogether, or even into an external document such as a Word file or an email. Once you're at your desired destination, use the paste function to drop in the table. Often, this is as simple as right-clicking and selecting Paste, or using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V for Windows or Command+V on a Mac. And there you have it. Your table is now duplicated in a new location. Remember, practicing this process a few times will help to make it second nature. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful.